Hello everyone, my name is Longley. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to another episode of the Monday market update. This is the second to last episode of the market update. We are going to have a full year real estate market review next week on the 27th. Okay, we are going to have that. And I'm gonna review all the updates all the information that we collect for the last 12 months. We're gonna also depend on that, give you a prediction of 2022. So stay tuned, come back here next week for more information about the real estate market of the last year, as well as the prediction for 2022. Okay. Let's go to the show today, though. Today we are going to have a weekly market update. Again, this show is happening every week on Monday around 6 or 7 p.m. So that's convenient for you to review the data with me. Right now, I'm looking at one of the key important factor is the sale price per square feet. Second, let me make sure that I have everything set up right. Okay. No, I want this one. Okay. Yeah, so this one we're looking at the sale price per square feet, and this data, by the way, is collected by a company called Comfort Report. This is a very reliable data, real estate data company in Arizona. A lot of good reputation about this company, and the data is collected very well. Okay. Now this data is collecting as of December 19, and we have a monthly average per square feet is about $264. Now this is for the entire market of Maricopa County. Okay, so if that doesn't mean that you have. You can roughly estimate your home value based on multiply this number by the square footage of your home. Okay. And at 264. So how are you going to compare with the last 12 months? Obviously, you see that even though it has a little bit dip compared to the previous month at 265.58, okay, it's still overall very high compared to the last 12 months, okay? So your home value is still going up every single month from now. Of course, it's a little bit reduced at this time, just simply because of the season that we are in, holiday season, right? So we don't have a lot of people don't want to do any kind of activities during this time of the year. Annual average about 245, and the same situation is going up straight, even a really nice linear line right here. 26.1% for annual appreciation, change in monthly average, and 27% change in annual average. So what does this number mean? Meaning that, well, obviously you see the green, so that means it's good for the homeowners, right? Every single time that you have a positive number for appreciation, that means the home values is even getting higher. Okay. The second set of the data we want to look at is very unique to this report is that the comfort index. Okay, comfort index show you it shows right here. So 100 point is normal. Okay, 100 point is normal. If it is less than 100 points, that is for supply index, for example, that means that you don't have a lot of houses on the market. Okay, vice versa, if you have greater than 100 points, you have way more supply on the market. Okay. In the other hand, if you're looking at the demand, if it is greater than 100, the demand is super high. Okay, a lot of people want to buy at that time, and if it is weak, less than 100, that's weak, right? Nobody want to buy at that time. Overall, is in this middle right here, you're gonna see the overall market index. Okay, same concept. If it is obviously less than 100%, is a buyer market. If 100 point is a buyer market. If it is greater than 100 points, it's a seller market. As you see here, here's a trend, okay, of the entire market. As you see here, it's going up since November 20. And if you, I'm sorry. Oh, this is by day. Sorry, last 30 days, okay? Last 30 days is still going up. If you see a couple of videos that I have for like a longer period of time, you're gonna see also a similar trend is going up like this. Okay, demand, however, is stable. I mean, it's stable around 123 and 124. It's definitely higher than 100. But some people are thinking that the demand is super high right now. It is not very super high. That's what I'm saying. It's high, but it's not super high. I don't know if that is the word, but I just say it anyway. It's super high. It's not very super high right here. It's only higher than expected. 100 is 23 and 124. Okay. And in the other hand, though, this is the biggest problem that we have, which drive a lot of pricing, is that every single day you see that the supply index is getting lower and lower. Okay, the further away from 100 points, the worst of the supply situation. And as you see right here, this is the biggest problem. There's a lot of conversation nowadays in talking about how we solve this problem, and there's no solution yet. So until this problem solved, we're not going to be able to see any price change, any price reduction in the market. Okay. Since for the sake of time, I don't think that we have a lot of a lot of time. Let's look at just the success rate. This is I want to show this because it has both comparison between the current months versus historic average. Okay, this is historic average for the entire Maricopa County, which is at about 68.2%. At this time, obviously you see is 90.1%, which is really high. Listing success rate, that means that how successful you are to sell, how successful a homeowner is to be able to sell their home. Okay, in this case, for about 100 homes on the market, 90 of them get sold okay, so 90% versus the historic is only 68%. So as you see here, the market is still very long, still very strong right now for the seller, the home getting on the market, and it's getting sold very quickly. Okay, data don't lie. These are the data that we showed in the last 30 days. We see the dip in November 30th is probably because of the Thanksgiving season right here. And then we're gonna go see a constant about 90% and things like that. Okay, so all right, those are the information that I want to share with you. Again, we do have a full year market update. The full year market update for those of you who are interested in looking at the real estate data of the entire years next week. And then we also gonna have a little prediction for 2022. All right, thank you so much. Let me know if you do have any question. My name is Long Clee, cell phone number 602-515-2442. Thank you, bye-bye.